beautiful deer there. Kind of looking at me. Thinks he might see somebody now. I would go to your right if I were you, because there's a road on the left. Yep, there you go. There you go. Into the woods. Into the forest preserve. How close they'll let me get. Not very. Hi. Hi there. How are you? You gonna leave? You don't have to leave. Just don't go near the road, okay? Yeah? Oh, you got a buddy with you too, don't you? I didn't see that. You're kind of curious about me, aren't you? Kind of curious? See the buddy on the right there. Yeah? I haven't seen too many deer over here. Off into the woods you go. Yep, I don't blame you.